Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. In today's video is how to do something with the shape tool. I had someone send me this, and it's just a normal font. I think it's Arial, and I enlarged it. She wanted to know how she could get this line of the F equal to the other line of the F. Well, to do that, you're going to have to take the font and convert it to a curve. And the easiest way for me to do is put no fill. So I left click and I right click. Then I take the shape tool and I select these two or these four nodes, and I go right up here and I go to align nodes, align them vertically. So I'm unchecking horizontally, and there you go. Now, if you didn't do that, it'd be very easily just on another subject, put something there, click on those two nodes, see what your nudge distance is, 0.005. Click on these two nodes and just cursor over those two nodes until you get to that indexing line. And for a second, I'm holding down the shift key and your nudges will go a little faster. But then you can go back and fill it in and take away the hairline, and that F is equal to that F. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.